Understanding the phrase, road hog. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, road hog. If you've ever been on the road, in a car, or just watching movies involving cars, you might have come across this term. Let's uncover what it means and how to use it. Before delving into the phrase itself, let's understand the individual words. Road. This refers to a way or track made for particular use, usually for vehicles. Hog. While this primarily refers to a pig, in English slang, it can also mean someone who is greedy or takes more than their share. Combining these words doesn't mean a pig on the road, but understanding them can give us a hint about the metaphorical meaning. A road hog is someone who drives in a way that is considered inconsiderate or even dangerous. They might take up too much space on the road, drive unpredictably, or refuse to allow others to pass. Just like a hog is greedy for food, a road hog is greedy, with road space, making it challenging for others. To ensure you understand how to use this phrase, here are some examples. 1. The driver in front of me is such a road hog. He won't let anyone overtake him. 2. Please be considerate when driving. Nobody likes a road hog. 3. I was late for my appointment because of a road hog on the highway. While road hog is a common term, there are other related terms and phrases you might encounter, like backseat driver, someone who gives unsolicited advice to the driver. Sunday driver, a person who drives slowly and often doesn't seem familiar with driving rules. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, road hog. Remember, while it's essential to understand and recognize when someone is being a road hog, always prioritize safety on the road. We hope this video helps you expand your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!